When doing payroll with Cast and Crew, you will need to load your invoices from Payroll into PSL Plus. In order to do so, select Payroll on the left-hand side of PSL Plus. This will open the Payroll folder. Then, select Load CNC Invoice. This will open Interface from Cast and Crew Payroll window. Here, you may select the invoice number. Right-click in the invoice field. This will create a pick list of available invoices you may load into your PSL Plus system from Cast and Crew Payroll. Hit OK. You will then be able to select the report type. An edit list is a preliminary report to show you what you would be loading in. This will not load the invoice into your system. However, if you select Loading Register, this will load all of the invoices data into your system. We will select Loading Register. Next, you will need to enter your batch information. This is typically your initials, followed by today's date. Then enter your production information, as well as the bank information, as well as series, location, and sets. You may also fill in insurance or free field options if you would like. Once you're ready to load this invoice into your payroll system of PSL Plus, simply select Print in the upper right and select the printer in which you would like to print this report to. Hit Print. Now you can name your file. Hit Save. This will ask if the report has printed correctly. Check your report to make sure that it has printed correctly. If it has printed correctly, press Yes. It will let you know that the invoice has been loaded and the reference number in which it has been loaded to. It is advised to write down this reference number as it makes searching for the invoice a lot easier. And that's loading your payroll from Cast and Crew into PSL Plus.